Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. Today I'll be showing you how to make your text messages bold on an iPhone. Now, I want to start by saying that this is more of a system-wide change, meaning it will make all of the text on your device bold, not just individual messages. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find Accessibility. Tap on it. Then, look for the option that says Display and Text Size. In that section, you'll see a setting labeled Bold Text. Toggle that switch on. Now your iPhone will prompt you to restart the device. This is important because the bold text change only applies after the restart. Once your iPhone is back on, you'll notice that all system fonts, including those in text messages, are now bold. This means your messages, menus, and pretty much all text across the device will appear thicker and easier to read. Unfortunately, if you were hoping to make just one message bold, the iPhone doesn't have a feature for that. The bold text option works system-wide, not on individual texts. But don't worry, iMessage does offer some great effects that can add personality to your chats, so there are other fun ways to make your messages stand out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you later.